So what is it that defines the essence of a city? The infamous stick enforcers are out again in BGC, making sure people stay 3 feet apart with their 3 feet long sticks. Kinda gotta look real close. Some of those condos in there have these incredible roof decks. So interestingly enough here, when you go to cross the street, it's usually a long wait for the light, like 90 seconds. And even if there's no cars coming, technically you're not allowed to cross the street. It's considered jaywalking, crossing at a red light. And, well, normally that's no big deal, except here, they will fine you for it. And now, in China, apparently, it will lower your social credit score. So be prepared for that. Coming to a democracy in a city near you. Alright, because I want to walk up Bonifacio High Street, I gotta dig out my Buzz Lightyear Protecto Shield, you know, to keep me safe. Because of, you guessed it, science. Actually, I have to wear it because the guard won't let you on the street walk without it. This is one of the multiple Starbucks here in BGC. And now let me tell you, there's an obscene amount of them. This place is practically like mini Seattle. Tropical Seattle with all the Starbucks. Why, oh why, might you ask, am I walking up High Street during the day? The High Street during the day is, I mean, it's definitely chill. This isn't what it looks like at night. I got a lot of night video of High Street, and some recently actually while it was raining, and it was lively. It was all lit up. Doing the contact this. I'm at the point now where I don't want to frequent any establishment that is implementing that type of track and trace procedure. It simply exacerbates the problem, in my opinion, for a number of reasons. Socially, political, I was talking about China's social credit score, and social credit scoring coming to a democracy near you soon. Don't think it won't. Don't think for 1 second that that's not what this whole passport nonsense is all about. It's a control agenda. Anyway, all that aside, the businesses do make it difficult for you here to get in. They want you to scan or at least sign in. Alright, so that was one block of High Street. Sort of like the middle here. I think one of my parameters of my walking mission today is to score yet another falafel. Like, I'll eat half a falafel for lunch, half a falafel for dinner, and banana mango protein shakes for the rest of the day, and that's it. And that not only keeps my costs way down, it really helps me slim down, stay slim. So we're going to Medley. Personally, I think is the second best falafel in BGC. What makes High Street so awesome? Well, premier bakeries. I mean, you can get some really good confectionaries here. What else do we got? Just so many restaurants and shops, and of course the mall. The malls run all the way down High Street. There's so many areas to the indoor malls. I don't even think I've ever been in there. And I've been living in this city for like 2 years now. Chino, where it's no mask, no tacos, baby, but it is a Japanese themed taco ristorante or something along those lines. Don't quote me. It looks like this is a new restaurant. And then there's a Loft 27, which is a pretty cool bar. And Shaka, which I always seem to like never check out. I don't even know what it is. Shaka, when the walls fell. Bonifacio Global City's Mind Museum. Something for the kids. I am in the fabulous Persian Grill here in Bonifacio Global City, and what's crazy is they don't let you do dine-in anymore. You can't sit inside and eat, you can't sit outside and eat, but you can come into the restaurant and sit for like 20 minutes and get your takeout. It boggles the mind at how little sense it actually all makes. But at the end of the day, this is one of the other spots in BGC where you can get a fantastic falafel. That reminds me of Dave Attell's show called Insomniac. One of my favorite shows ever. Part of the vibe of the city is the look and feel of the city, the skyline, skyscrapers. All right, the Fort Street, or the Fort Strip is what they call this. Bunch of different types of restaurants. There's like a couple Samgyeopsal spots here. It's like the lower end Forbes-town of BGC. Bonifacio Global City. It's been a fun day and a relaxing night. So much to see here. They're going into what they call a hard lockdown. So BGC is going to be Bonifacio Ghost Town City, coming soon.
Thanks so much for watching. If you liked this video, please hit the thumbs up and subscribe for more content from the fabulous Philippines.